What do antioxidants do? Antioxidants function as strong first line of protection in opposition to free radicals, stopping their formation and neutralizing their results. Free radicals are difficult little molecules. On the one hand, they trigger oxidative injury, or oxidative stress, within the physique. An excessive amount of oxidative stress contributes to getting old and doubtless each continual illness. That's the dangerous information. On the identical time, oxidative stress is useful, mandatory even, in the fitting quantities. In reality, the physique is of course happiest in a state of delicate oxidative stress. Gentle oxidative stress is hermetic, which means it prompts useful diversifications that make you stronger, healthier, and extra resilient to future stressors. The trick is to keep up the suitable stability. That's the place antioxidants are available in.